Hello, and welcome to Moovee's tutorial video. Now that you have successfully booked a vehicle, let's show you how to have access to it. For this example, we will use the booking of a car. Before you leave your office, don't forget to take your badge, as it will allow you to unlock the vehicle. You can directly go to the parking place, as you don't need to retrieve the keys from anyone. Once in front of the car, place your badge on the reader located on the windscreen to unlock the vehicle. You can then enter it as usual. Once at the driver's position, you need to retrieve the key located in the glove box and use it to turn on the car, as usual. You're now set to go, but don't forget, buckle up. If you need to park during your reservation, it is as easy as usual. Just park, turn off the engine, put the keys back in the glove box, and get out of the car. To close the car, just put your badge on the reader and it will be locked. But don't worry, your reservation is still ongoing and you will be able to get back in by simply applying your badge on the reader again. Now let's see how to end the reservation. As I like to say, it is very easy. When you're done with the vehicle, just park it back on its original parking place. Turn off the engine, put the key back in the glove box, but before you leave, press on the End Reservation button. This will tell the system that you are done, and when you will lock the vehicle with your badge on the reader, it will close your reservation and free the vehicle for other users. Enjoy using Moovee, and have a good ride.